All right, court is calling 2024 CR 0443 State versus Marcelo Flores Jr. Can I have parties announced?
Jason Gary, have the state.
Nipa Carrillo for Mr. Flores.
And are you Mr. Flores? All right. Did you review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it? Are you the same Marcelo Flores Jr. who's placed on community supervision in 2024 CR 0443 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 200 grams on May 21st, 2024 for a term of 6 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor, violated condition number 41 on or about the 18th day of February 2025 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant, Marcelo Flores Jr., the then and there, failed to comply with the rules and regulations of the felony drug court by failing to attend treatment as scheduled in violation of condition number 41.
How do you plead to that?
Mr. Chief,
All right.
I will waive the remaining violated conditions.
Any objection to the state's waivers?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 41, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 6 years in prison and up to there is no fine, but sentence you up to 6 years in the prison.
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 41?
Yes, ma'am.
Court is going to find violation of condition number 41 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
No, there's not, Your Honor.
State, what are you requesting?
Revocation, Your Honor.
All right, defense, what are you requesting?
Your Honor, we request to continue Mr. Flores on probation. If you looked at his the recommendation by he's going to judge.
All right, any objection?
No,
Yeah. And he was doing very well, you know, very well. He had two in February, he had two, one by admission and the other, I think, by urine for drug test, a dirty UA. The reason we're here is because he didn't finish his drug court.
All right.
All right, and so he was told that he's just gonna get a 30-day sanction for it, and 30 days are up, and that's why he thinks he's scared. But, okay, so we know that, so we're gonna leave it up to you, Your Honor. He wants to be continued on probation. He wants to have another chance at drug court. And like I say, he was doing so well, and I don't know, something must have happened, and so he given another opportunity to do drug court and proceed with his probation.
All right. You okay, Cindy? Do you need a break?
I have my medicine there that's for the coughing. Let me just grab it.
Yeah, no. Oh,
Get that
yeah.
tickle in your throat.
Oh, and it doesn't go away, right?
Does not go away.
Yaya. All right, so I'm going to take up Portales and Courtney Sloan. Then after that, we're going on recess.
Okay.
Unless you have anything else, that's right. All right, we're back on the record.
Oh, and the
Yes.
alternative, Your Honor. The probation did recommend lifetime recovery followed by ISP. So ISF. And so, but also all he wants, Your Honor, to consider give him another opportunity for drug court and continue him on that probation.
All right, you want to raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear and affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Marcelo Flores Jr.
All right, so you were sent to felony drug court. Why didn't you successfully complete it?
Can you repeat?
You were sent to felony drug court. People who go there are sent there because they have drug issues and they have issues maintaining their sobriety. Why didn't you successfully complete felony drug court?
I use
All right. And then what is this about your phone and what was in your phone?
about the pictures.
You know, a lot of times people don't realize that in felony drug court, they do deep dives. You know, sometimes in these courts, we don't have a chance to do a deep dive, like looking in your cell phone, seeing what's going on, but they do. So it appears that maybe you were moving through a phase, but you were not internalizing. So, I mean, you're staring at me. Why did you have this in your phone?
A picture of somebody.
No, I mean, it's more than pictures. I don't think you want to discuss what you had in your phone because I'm not trying to have people potentially raid your home or anything. But why did you have things in your phone that you were not supposed to have in your phone? Hypothetically, if I had a drug problem and I were in felony drug court, guess what? All the drug paraphernalia that maybe I had, I should get rid of it because I'm supposed to be serious about my sobriety. If there are photos of me using drugs or somebody else using drugs, I would delete that because that's supposed to be my old life. You understand? So why would you have in your phone criminal activity?
Can I have a moment, Your Honor, with my client?
Sure.
Just one moment.
Oh, Jason. All right, this is what you can
Thank you.
return that to probation. This is what the court is going to do. The court is finding violation of condition number 41 true. The court is going to grant the motion, give you credit for any time served. The court will sentence you to 4 years in the prison. And the court will recommend the therapeutic community. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes.
All right, you have a limited right to appeal. That right to appeal is as it relates to the allegations in the motion, not the fact that you are on deferred adjudication. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what a weapon or ammunition is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? All right. Well, good luck to you when you are released. If you can't find a place where they can help you maintain your sobriety, if I'm still here, you can come back here and I will look for a place that will be beneficial to you. Okay. All right. Thank you. Why did you go into a place that was not yours? A residence that's not your residence?
Honestly, I used to live there and I thought the same people lived there and I still had the key, but I guess the people moved out of the second apartment and the key still worked and that's how I entered that place.
Did you have permission to be there?
No.
And reading the police reports, there's something else going on than just that you went into a house because you used to live there and you always thought that you could come there at any time to live there. There's something else going on. And I'm trying to figure out what's going on in regards to that. And part of my job as a judge is to make sure that the community is protected.
But then I can't see my kids.
And a part of that community, sometimes people don't believe it, but part of that community is children. And sometimes it's your own biological children. You understand?
Yes, sir.
This is what the court is going to do. 5 years deferred adjudication.